A British lorry driver has filmed himself taunting migrants who were on his truck when they realized he wasn't going in the direction they wanted. He said that he was giving them a lesson after warning them not to get on board the transporter. They can be seen waving at the driver to slow down so that they could jump off. He told them, "I told you I wasn't stopping. You're going to Holland." Writing on Facebook, Ryan Legister said, "I told these motherfuckers I'm not stupid enough to stop here on my way home. Don't waste your time," and they didn't listen. Boy, you going to learn today. 3 clips, 2 of them filmed from behind the steering wheel, show the immigrants jumping on board at a petrol station. The driver can be heard speaking to the camera saying, "I told these 2 boys that I'm going to Holland. So when they get on they best hold on tight, because I'm not stopping motherfucker." The second clip shows the driver filming his wing mirror whilst driving on a motorway, jeering at the immigrants who wave at him to slow down. The migrants are hunkered down between the load, which seems to be a yellow bulldozer. The driver can be heard singing, "Oh, I told you I wasn't stopping. You're coming to Holland, you're coming to Holland." A third clip shows the driver filming the immigrants through his wing mirror as they clamber forward towards him. The video is captioned, "I got options, but stopping isn't one." The lorry can be seen driving past a sign saying Buren 1,500 meters, a city in Belgium. The videos show the extent to which immigrants will go to try and reach developed countries in Western Europe. Last week, footage emerged of a man trying to evade customs at a port in Morocco by hiding on the roof of an HGV. The man lay flat on his front as the lorry loaded onto a ferry believed to be heading for Western Europe.